सध्या गोवा गव्हर्मेंटान एक अशी स्कीम काढल्या जितून तुम्ही तुमचो कचरो विकून स्पेशली प्लास्टिकाची बॉटल्स विकून तुम्ही पैसे जोडपाक शकता. ती म्हणजे गोवा DRS स्कीम म्हणजे डेपोजीट रिफंड स्कीम. हितून भितर तुमकां जे तुम्ही प्लास्टीक आसा जावं तुमचे ग्लास बॉटल्स जावं आनी कसली जे प्लास्टीक वेस्ट आसा ते तुम्ही ते एक वेंडिंग मशिनान घालून तुम्ही पैसे जोडपाक शकता. सो ती स्किमी बद्दल आमी जाणून घेवपाक खातीर सद्या आमी येयल्या कॅश्यू फेस्टिवलाक, कारण तेंचो हांगा स्टॉल लागलेलो आसा आनी आमी तांकां मेळटले आनी तेंचे कडल्यान जाणून घेतलें की ही स्कीम नेमकी कितें आसा ती आनी हे स्किमीचो वर्किंग कशें आसता.
My name is Chetan. I represent System Operator Goa DRS. So Goa generates about 800 metric tons of waste every day. A lot of it is packaging waste. Anything that doesn't have value becomes waste and gets littered, which is why the Goa government has brought in a deposit refund scheme. In Goa, for alcohol bottles, you used to go to a shop, get the bottle and pay a deposit on top. If you return the bottle, you would get the refund. This scheme has digitized this process with the help of machines. Now when you buy a metal containered packaged item, a plastic packaged item, or like a chips packet, MLP, you will be paying a very nominal deposit of 1 or 2 rupees on top. When you return this, you get your refund. This makes you responsible. It changes the behavior. I changed my perspective of looking at packaging from being a waste to being a currency note now.
So how this process actually works?
So when you buy an item, you pay this marginal nominal 1 or 2 rupee deposit. You consume the item. When you return the packaging, it is refunded back to your bank account.
Okay, so what about the how sometimes what happens is that some people just throw the bottles or whatever the package outside.
Yes.
In such manner, if someone else from whatever like some beggars or
Yes.
anyone get collect goods, and if they give you pay them.
Yes, anybody who returns the packaging, the responsible behavior is rewarded. If I buy, I don't litter, I get my deposit back, I get rewarded. If I litter, I am literally throwing away currency now. Anybody who picks it up and brings it back for the environment, that's good, and for me it is good because I get the money.
Where to get this? Where to find this vending machine?
So these machines will be placed in every panchayat, every municipal council and even in the CCP. Along with the larger machines, you will also have those smaller machines. A small pan tapri guy, a retail shop, a horeca, a restaurant can become collection ecosystem. Whoever become part of this system will be provided handling fees for becoming a part of it.
Till now, anywhere you have started.
This scheme in India was implemented first in Kedarnath, where it was a huge success. It has received the Digital India Award from the President of India. It has been implemented across 50 countries. Singapore very recently has launched a nationwide DRS on a similar model.
Anywhere in Goa already has started or yet to start?
So this scheme can only be operated by a government. No private operator can implement it. So the state will now announce its date on when it will go live.
Any feedback from Goan market you have received?
We received a lot of inputs. What happened is there was a lot of miscommunication. They thought that only such machines will be placed. Will it be easy for me to access? They did not know that door-to-door collection ecosystem is being created. They did not know that the refunds are so small that for a household, the weekly cost could be anywhere between 50 to 70 rupees. That will change for the household.
The cost for this entire machine, the costing for the entire machine. If someone from non-government sector
Yes.
wants to set up such vending machines,
Yes.
they are places. So what is the cost?
Various models are being explored for this.
Okay.
If you want to become a collection partner, in some cases the machines will be provided by the operator itself. You can also purchase the machines if you want to place it in multiple locations. You can also have those smaller machines that you have seen. You don't need an entire large setup and space because real estate in Goa is premium. You would require such place to get it placed. So the smaller machines you can easily purchase and set it up.
Alright everyone, let us see how a reverse vending machine works. We have named this as Reclaim Ace. This is under Goa DRS. DRS is Deposit Refund Scheme. So what will happen is basically you will buy a product. Once you return this particular product, you will get refund out of it. So how do you do transaction with the machine? There are two methods. One is your mobile number using an OTP or your UPI QR code. So I'll just use my UPI QR code. This is it. This is the QR code that I'll be using.
Scan item QR.
So once I scan this particular QR, the machine says I have to scan the item QR. So what is an item QR? This is an item QR. So for now, this is the template for it. This is the QR which I will be scanning into the machine.
Drop the item. Glass bottle detected.
So as soon as I scanned the item QR, the flap opened up. I threw a beer bottle inside and the AI said it is a glass bottle. So let me just try another.
Scan item QR.
So this is another glass bottle. This is another QR code on it. Let us just scan.
Drop the item.
Dropped it.
Glass bottle detected.
And no, the glass bottle doesn't break inside. So say now the refund is 4 rupees. I'll just click on claim rewards.
Recycle credits added to
So once I click on claim rewards, within 3 to 4 seconds in most of the cases I get my money back. So I got 4 rupees because I dropped 2 glass bottles into it. So we also have different devices. So this is one of our bigger versions. We have smaller devices. So this is Reclaim. This is Reclaim Mini. So this can be used for door-to-door collection.
Get detected.
This is Reclaim Go. This is one of the smartest devices that we have. Say a person carrying this particular device coming to your place and collecting all the material that you have. It is very simpler. So we have Reclaim Mini. We have another version called as Fast Scan. This is the Fast Scan. And this is Reclaim Ace.
मॅम तुमचे नाव?
मारेलिना अंता हांव.
ओके. तुम्ही आता ही DRS स्कीम जी आसा ती सध्या गव्हर्मेंटान सध्या इंट्रोड्यूस केली म्हणटा. आता तितून प्लास्टीक घातलें की पयशे मेळटा. आमी आयकलें की तुमी बीन ही सध्या यूज केली. सो
होय.
तुमचो एक्सपिरियन्स कसो आसलेलो?
बरो आसलेलो आनी इजी फास्ट जालो सगळें.
ओके.
होय.
म्हळ्यार जेन्ना तुमी फर्स्ट एक्सपिरियन्स इजी फास्ट जेन्ना प्लास्टीक जेन्ना आमी रस्त्यार उडयता तुमची म्हणणी कितें की हे जर गोंय भितर जर इंट्रोड्यूस केलें जाल्यार कितें जातलें?
बरें जातलें. कोण बॉटल्यो बीन भायर उडोवपाक वयची नाय. सगळीं दवरतलीं कलेक्ट करतलीं आनी त्या मेशिनार व्हरून उडयतलीं कित्याक मातशे पयशे मेळटले न्हू तांकां आनी गोंयाय बीन साफ उरतलें. बरें जातलें बेस्ट.
मॅडम तुमचें नांव?
शिल्पा संजय सावंत.
ओके. तुम्ही सध्या ही DRS स्कीम म्हणल्यार डेपोजीट रिफंड स्कीम ही सध्या सरकारान इंट्रोड्यूस करपाची आसा, गोंयान हाडपाची आसा. आनी हांगा तुमचे फाटल्यान हे वेंडिंग मशीन्स आसात तेजे. तुम्ही सध्या यूज केली ती यूज करून पळयली स्वता? तुम्ही स्वता यूज करून पळयल्ली?
अजून हांवें पळोवंक ना पूण हे पळोवन म्हाका बरें दिसलें. कित्याक म्हाका हेज्या पयलीं अशें दिसतालें की लोक काडून बाटल्यो काडटा आनी रस्त्यार उडयता खंय तरी उडयता. पूण जर तर गव्हर्मेंटान अशी एक स्कीम हाडलेली की तेज्या बदल्यार आमकां कितें तरी पयशे मेळटले अशें जाल्यार लोक उडयता पळय ते लोकांचे उडयल्ले सुद्दां हाडटलो आनी तेतून घालतलो कित्याक तांकांय कितें तरी पयशे मेळटले अशें.
म्हणल्यार तुम्ही म्हणटात की हितून गोंय साफ उरतलें
साफ
म्हणटात?
उरतलें आनी खरें म्हटल्यार जाय अशी स्कीम. आनी अशी म्हटल्यार एकाच जाग्यार न्हू अशी जशें जशें आमचे बस स्टॉप बीन अशें आसा थंय एक जरी अशें आसत जाल्यार क्लीन उरतलो आमचो गोवा. कित्याक लोकांकूय कळटलें की हे यूज आमी पळय उडयता भायर ताका कितें तरी आमकां एक कितले पयशे मेळो 2 रुपया मेळो 1 रुपया मेळो पूण हितून पयशे मेळटा. ताका लागून लोक आपुणूय थंयतलो आनी इवन त्या पंचायतींनी सुद्दां थेयल्यार बरें कशें दिसता म्हाका. कित्याक लोक घरांतल्यानूच कितलेशेच बॉटली भायर उडयता काडून त्यो तांकां पयशे मेळटा म्हणून लोक आपुणूच थेयतलो त्यो बॉटली सांबाळून आनी परत दितलो. रियूजूय जाले आनी तांकां पयशे मेळ्ळे.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.
अरे उस प्लान का क्या हुआ?
इस वीकेंड पे चले क्या?
गाइस हिमाचल और केरला?
नहीं यार, इट्स टू कोल्ड. तो फिर गोवा चले क्या?
ओके लेट्स गो फॉर इट. डन
डन.
डन. फ्लाइट टिकट्स तो बुक हो गए हैं।
पर वहाँ घूमेंगे कैसे?
रेंट अ कार बुक करें?
ओके।
ओके। अरे यार ये तो बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है।
अरे हाँ, गोवा है यार, बाइक ले लेते हैं।
ओके।
भैया हमें रेंट अ बाइक देखना है, कुछ नया पावरफुल स्टाइलिश।
कितना दिन के लिए चाहिए?
2 दिन के लिए।
तो ये वाला लीजिए, होंडा का डिओ 125
ओह नाइस।
The all-new Honda Dio 125. Bold design, powerful 125cc performance, and smooth rides made for Goa.
रेंट अ कार नहीं लिया वो बेस्ट डिसीजन था।
बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल राइड थी
और काफी स्टाइलिश भी है।
और हैंडलिंग भी स्मूथ है।
ऑल्सो इट वॉज अ ग्रेट फन।
यस।
Honda Dio 125. Rent it, ride it, live Goa.